I'm about to make my second channel, and I'm about to grind on that channel for real. Like, I'm so serious. Like, I'm so fucking serious. Took one of the pickle jars I'm about to use, and I'm gonna go get a pickle right now. Alright, so here go the jumbo pickles. I don't know why I got jumbo pickles in that bitch, but I do. So what I'm gonna do now is grab one of these pickles and shit, you feel me?
That shit look disgusting.
This shit stink, this shit sour. I'll give you like $1 if you suck this motherfucker right now.
Fuck out of here.
Oh God, man, I got him walking in the 11s on the beach though, man. You feel me? You gotta get these videos.
I mean, yeah, gotta get the bread, the content, you feel me? On God. Okay.
Yo, I got this pickle right here, right? And my doctor said I need to eat this pickle or I'm gonna die. But it's super glued though. So you think you can open it for me? And if you open it, I'll give you $5. Oh, you think you can open it? Nobody opened it all day. Yeah. Yeah. That shit tough.
Holy shit, cuz. I can't do this
Yeah.
shit now, man.
Alright, so.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
I think it's just like I had this like.
I think that's the second. Oh, that's the second jar that you had. That's not the super glue one.
Fuck!
That's crazy.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, excuse me, bro.
Yo, what's up, bro?
I got this jar right here. And oh, you on the phone? My bad. I ain't mean to be disrespectful. But I got this jar right here, right? And this bitch super glued. My doctor super glued this bitch like on purpose. They told me, yeah, I know, shit dumb, right? Anyways, the doctor told me that if I don't eat this pickle in 24 hours, I'm about to die. And it's been like 18 hours, so it's like,
Bro, you gotta eat this.
hell yeah.
What you want me to do?
Can you open up the jar for me? That's what I'm asking.
It's to you.
Nigga, I was just, can you open up the jar for me?
Bro, you see this, right?
Yeah, nigga. Bro, can you please open that bitch up?
Bro. Bro, you see me trying to.
I'll give you $1 if you open this bitch up though.
Bro, what is leaking on this jar?
It's leaking?
Bro, that jar leaking. Bro, stop.
Bro, chill. Alright, so unfortunately, those are all the clips that I got for this video because all the other ones suck, you feel me? And I really don't want to put them in the video because they suck. Or they didn't get recorded because somebody didn't press record, you feel me? So, with that being said, in these next couple scenes, what you finna see is me saying, yeah. Like, that's all. Like, I'm just finna like, yeah, yeah, on phone. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, bro. Don't do that shit, man. Bro, don't do that shit, bro. Don't do that shit.
Yeah.
They looking. Give me.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. I ain't nobody looking. Alright, give me. I'm still dark as hell.
Yeah.
Hey, get her over there, folks. Zoom in on her over there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bro, it's a prank. Look, bro, it's a prank. Shit.
Don't do that shit, bro.
What's up, nigga?
Do that shit, bro.
What is you talking about? It's a prank.
Yeah.